Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to see the pre-market data on TradingView by enabling the extended hours in 2026. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday sale in the description. So in this deal, basically you are going to get up to 80% off on all of the TradingView premium subscriptions plus 1 month additional. So only 3 days left for this deal, so you can explore the offers by using the link in the description, and make sure that you hurry. So in order to see the pre-markets on TradingView, you first need to come here on tradingview.com, then log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, use the search bar here on the top, then you just have to simply look for the US stocks over here. So if you look for the US stocks, let's say you just have to launch its chart. So click on the option of launch chart on any of the US stocks you want to look. Once the chart is opened in front of you, you just have to either click on the settings icon here on the top, or on the chart itself you can just right click and then click on the option of settings. Now over here in the symbol we have the option of data modification. Here you will see the option of session. So if it is showing you the regular trading hours, you will have to change it to the extended trading hours. So as soon as you do this, you will see these types of lines here on the chart. So these are relating to the pre and the post market hours backgrounds. So you can just click on any one of these. You can change the opacity of it, you can change the color of it as per your need. Similarly, for the post market hours, you can change its color and click on the option of OK. So this way you will be able to basically see the pre-markets on the TradingView. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and also comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.